Be with us until we finish glorifying your name.
Shukuru sana waziri kwa kututembelea. Thank you for coming.
All the rules being given, even through your...
We are starting to get their information. Which camp are they from? Who are their coaches? Who are their agents? Who are their managers? What time do they train? So that we can then now be able to raid in on those camps, because maybe it is something that athletes of a particular camp are used to doing.
We want an all-government approach, and we want an all-stakeholder approach. We want Azilo na ban athletes waine. Can you also show us that you have banned the responsible coaches?
We must go for those agents. We must go for those coaches. We must go into those training camps. And if you are running a camp that has been turned into the classical space for doping, we are coming for you.